Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories. One about a big company in India selling parts of itself, and another about the US stopping money for health help in South Africa. Please join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit LinguaWire.com. Today, I am with Sarah, our business reporter. Sarah, what is the big news about the Indian company?
Hello, Daniel. The big news is that Jio Platforms, a large phone company in India, will sell parts of the company to the public soon. This is called an IPO.
What does it mean to sell parts of the company to the public?
It means the company lets many people buy small pieces of it for the first time. Before, only a few people owned it. Now, many people can buy and own a small part.
Why is this important for India?
Because Jio is a very big company with more than 500 million phone users. If many people buy parts, it shows India can build big, strong companies.
How much money does Jio want to get from this sale?
They want to get about $4 billion. This money can help the company grow and make new services.
What new services does Jio have besides phones?
Jio also works with cloud computers, helps other companies with technology, and uses smart computer programs called artificial intelligence.
Has Jio done anything new recently?
Yes. Last year, Jio made a deal with a space company to bring internet from space to India. This is a new way to give internet to people.
When will people be able to buy these parts?
The company said it will happen soon after waiting a long time. It should be in the first half of this year.
Is this sale a big event for India's money market?
Yes, it is. It comes right after another big company in India also started to sell parts. This shows the market is active and growing.
Thank you, Sarah. This helps us understand why this sale is big news. Now I am with Michael, our health reporter. Michael, what is happening with the US and South Africa?
Hello, Daniel. The U.S. government said it will stop giving money to help fight HIV and AIDS in South Africa.
Why is this money important for South Africa?
Because South Africa has the most people with HIV in the world. More than 8 million people live with the virus there. The money helps programs that give medicine and support.
What reason did the US give for stopping the money?
The U.S. said South Africa did not protect a small group of white people well. The South African government says this is not true.
How did South Africa react to this news?
The health ministry said they did not know about the decision before, but they said they have a plan to take care of these health programs by themselves.
How much money did the US give before?
The U.S. gave about $400 million every year to help South Africa fight HIV and AIDS.
Has the relationship between the US and South Africa changed recently?
Yes, since President Trump started, the two countries have had more problems. The U.S. said some South African rules are unfair, but South Africa disagrees.
What else did the US say about South Africa?
The U.S. talked about South Africa's actions in international courts and its connections with other countries. Because of these reasons, the U.S. stopped the help.
Thank you, Michael. This is a serious change for South Africa's health programs. Let's look at some useful words from our first story about the Indian company Jio. The first word is share. A share is a small part of a company that people can buy. In the story, Jio sells shares to many people. For example, I bought shares in a small company last year. The second word is company. A company is a business that sells products or services. Jio is a big company in India. For example, my friend works for a company that makes shoes. The third word is money. Money is what we use to buy things. Jio wants to get a lot of money from selling shares. For example, I save money to buy a new phone. Now, a useful verb from the stories is stop. To stop means to end something or not continue it. The US will stop giving money to South Africa. We say, I stop work at 5 p.m. or please stop talking now. The verb stop is easy to use in many situations. Remember, stop changes like this. I stop, you stop, he stops, we stop, they stop. Use stops with he, she, or it. For example, she stops the car. This verb helps us talk about ending actions clearly and simply. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.